I don't know.
Okay, Mauricio, how does that burrito taste? Food review, back at it. How's that burrito? How's that burrito? How is it? Is it good? Does it taste bad? Look, I'm gonna get a piece of the egg that just fell out.
Hey, get the camera on him.
Piece of egg.
Hey, look.
Food review of bacon, barbecue. How does it taste? How's it taste?
Pretty great. I'd give it a 9 out of 10 because it's not barbecue sauce. It's food review.
All right. What's your rating of that burrito?
I think Andrew's like
No, but what's your review of the burrito?
oh
Can I have a napkin?
Can you see the inside of it? Can you see the inside?
Show me. Can I have a
Presentation.
napkin?
All right. Let's see the inside burrito. We gotta get a cinematic view.
I don't think I'm fit for this.
All right. What's your rating?
I think you should ask Jason.
What's your rating of the burrito?
5 out of 5.
Why are you so scared? Show me the inside of the burrito.
Stop looking at me.
Show me the inside of the burrito.
This is the inside of it.
No, to the camera. Damn it. Look at that. All right, Jason, wanna review anything? Wanna review that chicken tendy?
Currently we have about just 1/5 of a chicken tendy. Currently,
Wait, can I bite off it? Can you give me a bite?
you bite off of this.
Shout out to Nicole Hubbard.
I heard it.
How's the
Did
chicken
you just
tendy?
drink out of my thing?
I used to think
Did you drink out of my Nigeria?
McDonald's with Ivan was a
Why
bad
did you
thing.
drink out of my Nigeria? What's wrong with you?
Okay, well, how do you rate the chicken tendy?
Boy, I just stick at him.
How's the chicken tendy?
I'll give it a 6 out of 9.
Sounds pretty good. All right, anything else to add, Andrew?
There's still more barbecue sauce.
All right, that's gonna do it for this day's food review. You know, eat food and
Live long.
do stuff.
You're paying attention to your sister. And don't be an